Alright, I got my big box of baggies. So I went ahead and labeled this one upper pan to bell. Hopefully I know what that means when I get back to it. Putting it by my oil pan, again, same reason. Let's see, you know, the AC bolts here. One's still in the AC. Yeah, I might as well. I think I'm going to be taking that out. Yep, my light's off. Alright, yeah, I'm going to take this bracket off, because I think it gets in the way of the timing cover. Drawing a blank here. Not sure this will work. No. Well, it did. Holy smokes. I can't believe this thing's getting these bolts out. This is not the surface. Wow. Alright. Is there another one holding it? Yep. Got another one up top. Ooh. And it's off. And I got a support message. Okay. Yep, I'm out of here again.